Everybody's at the record hop, rocking at the record hop. Everybody rocking at the record hop, baby.
Okay boys, I forgot to give you any updates and tell you what we're doing. So basically, Connor's getting his ST2 sat-nav installed and cruise control. So came down to that, and turns out the kid's got a the guy's got a stage 3 Fiesta ST, like sleeper look, semi-slick, stuff like that. So hopefully going out in that, and yeah, should be a good day. He's had his like whole dashboard, the parts get fitted. Then I'm having this old Sony unit, so my dead unit don't look no bad anymore. I'll get some shots and show you what's going on. But yeah, it's cold. Oh well, deal with it. It's fact. Well and truly, fact. This is my new one. Look, this. I got this with the new screen, because I've got an old screen. No, that's not the screen, that's the fucking radio. The screen's in there still. I've got this. Car parts. So basically I have a new updated screen, new updated unit. So look pretty again. Look bit more pretty for the inside of the car, you know what I mean? So this is what I just went out in. Stage 3 Revo, so obviously the Revo turbo, I don't know the Revo turbo, S242 I'm guessing. Stage 3 Prime cooler, AirTech induction kit. This is the bit, this is important, this is what I want. So it's got BC Racing adjustable coilovers, Tarox big brake kit, which I'm getting, Team Dynamics 17s or 16s, and then it's got the Yokohama semi-slicks, which I also really want to get, but I shit you not, this thing handles like a dream. Honestly, it was flying around bends and there was just non-stop power. I need to invest in getting a decent set of coilovers. So these are BCs, I believe. He's going to show me how they work, and then maybe I will look into getting a set of these. He got his used, so I might get used just to save a bit of money. But yeah, it is a really nice, clean looking car. I'll just give you a little show around it quick. Right, I think we've got lights there, side skirts, mountain spoiler extensions, which are really fucking rare. Yeah, it's a nice little car. Just a nice little car. Sweet. Hopefully it'll get done soonish.
Hello, my name's Matt.
Have you got the fucking
new YouTuber? I'm taking over Tommy's
Have you got the
YouTube channel. Yeah, it's in there. Basically, Tommy's on his phone at the moment, and
is it actually recording it?
Yeah.
For fuck's sake. Right,
yeah, Tommy's going to go on a night out tonight, so I'm going to be looking after his camera for a bit. If any would like to see more content from me, tell Tommy.
Okay guys, well, when we got here, I told you what was happening. We got the cruise control and the sat-nav installed onto Connor's Fiesta ST. We got here about 12. It is now 7:30, as we had to they had to take the entire dash out to do it, which is a long pain process, but I mean, we got there in the end. So yeah, we're on our way back now. We're down like Gatwick area. It's going to take about hour and a half to get back to our way. So we've got a little cruise ahead of us, but we've got cruise control now. It's going to be a lot easier for Connor to drive with, and he's got a sat-nav so he knows where he's going. But massive shout out to them boys for sorting Connor's car out and getting it done, because it did look like a long and horrible process, which I did not want to do. So yeah, on our way back now. I didn't get many shots when we were down there because it was very cold. But yeah, I don't know if I'm doing anything else tonight, but I'll let you boys know. I thought I was going to get back a lot earlier than it is now, but that's just how it is with cars. As I said in many videos, whenever you do something, you're always going to find problems, and it never ever goes the way, never ever goes to plan. Just like when I got my turbo fitted, because you've always got things that are going to come in the way. So we're on our way back now. Oh, there's a big Mercedes thing there. So yeah, we'll have a lovely drive and hopefully hit a tunnel run. Dual port, turbo smart. Traffic officer ahead, so we can't do anything fun. It's weird, I don't know if you can hear it, but his exhaust does like, it does pop. So I've never heard any other Fiesta do it like the way yours does it. Yeah, it just pops when you let it off. Yeah, weird. Okay boys, I don't know if you can see my face or not. That works. Yeah, that works. Okay, you can see my face now. So, like I said, Connor got his, you got the sat nav, auto locking, cruise control. I think that's about it, wasn't it?
Yeah, my tyre monitor pressure sensor turned off.
And the tyre monitor pressure sensor thing turned off. So that all went and happened. It took a long time, but they had to rip the dashboard out and everything, but it got done in the end. I think I'm going to wrap the video up here. Sorry if it's short, I'm not sure how it's going to come together, but it was hard to like clip it all. I'm going out tonight on the old clubbing. I may pick up the camera on the old iPhone and get some cheeky clips of some shots or some stupid shit. I don't know, so if I do, it'll be at the end of this. So I'll leave it here. Thank you for watching. I'll leave a link to Connor's Instagram down below. Like the video obviously, comment what you think, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace.
You do, but